How to make sign effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application and make sure that you select a project over here. After selecting on the project that you want to add the shine effect on, you can see the option of effect at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the effect, then tap on video effects over here. So here on the search bar, you can directly search for shine as an effect. So as you tap on the shine effect, here you can see different options related to shine. So there's no direct options to search for the shine effect in Capcut. So here you can select and search for effects similar to that shine, that gives shine to the video and the objects in the video. So for example, if I'm going to select on edge glow, then I'm gonna tap on tick and then I'm gonna adjust it to the part where I need it the most. So I'm just gonna play and it will give the shiny effect on the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates.